Assalamu alaikum viewers, this is Rafhan with another episode of Twin Cooking. Today I will be teaching you another very easy recipe, a dessert recipe, Rafhan Strawberry Jelly. I'm using the Rafhan brand. They have very good tasting jellies out there. Today I'm using the strawberry flavor, but they do also have the mango and the banana and a few other flavors as well. So come on in and let's get the ingredients. So viewers, the ingredients are very simple. Um, just get the Rafhan jelly, take the pack. I'm using 2 packs. So what we will need is about 4 cups of water. Let's say if we were using only 1 pack, then we would just need 2 cups of water, about like small size like this one. So now it's gonna be boiling. So we will wait that out until the water boils. In the meantime, we are going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar into the water. So now again, if you were only using 1 pack, then you would add 1 tablespoon. But because we're using 2 packs, we are going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar while the water is being boiled. Trust me, it will add the taste to the jelly and making it even taste better than it is without the sugar. So now as you can see, the water is boiling. So we will put that into the container. And now, as I said before, we're using 2 packs of the Rafhan Strawberry Jelly. So we will slowly add this to the water. And while we're doing so, we're going to be mixing it with this big size spoon. If we don't do that, then it doesn't turn out very well. So make sure you constantly, as adding the material, you're also making sure that it's being dissolved properly. So just keep on mixing it with the water. As I said before, I only try my best to make the easy recipes that everybody can make, and this is again one of those easy dessert recipes that everyone can make at home. I myself am a father of twins, boy and a girl, as you guys know, and recipes like this are always handy for a busy schedule, and anyone can do it. So inshallah, this one will turn out to be very well as well. Again, just keep on mixing it. Now that we have finished mixing it, we will cover this up and put it in the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours. Alright viewers, so now 2 to 3 hours are passed, and as you can see, the jelly is ready, the Rafhan Strawberry Jelly. Please try it out. Leave a comment below if you have and let us know how you enjoyed it. It's a perfect recipe, easy to make, and as I said before, anyone can do it. Until we see you again, take care. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Rafhan and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe and share it with everyone you know. Plus, don't hesitate to leave a comment below and press the bell icon button so you can get up-to-dates on all of our new videos every single day. I can't wait to see you next time on my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.